Now, what is scarcity? Well, if you ever have experienced a Black Friday or another holiday sale, then you might have a clue what it is. Scarcity is basically when it's shortage of supply in comparison to the demand. Let me explain what this means. Let's say that today was the last day that you and everyone else in the world can buy chocolate. How many pieces of chocolate would you buy? 1, 2? I guess you would buy pretty much chocolate, even though you wouldn't eat it for weeks or years. That is scarcity. We are telling you that there's a limited amount of a product or service out there and the demand is really high, which means that a lot of people want to buy something that doesn't really exist. Maybe 1 or 2 or 3 of a kind just exists, so everybody wants to buy that. Just like on Black Friday, people are going crazy. I mean, people are even starting fights in the malls on Black Friday, which is insane. And this is how you use scarcity, not to make people fight over your things, but to make people buy. When we're having a product or service to sell, we would like to sell the feeling of missing out, which is also transformed as FOMO, fear of missing out. Nobody wants to miss out on that deal of the day, right? So if you're looking for a cell phone, for example, and you see, oh, it's 20% off only today, that's a scarcity sales tactic that the company is using on you. So when we're marketing and creating ads around the products, we do want to create a sense of urgency, like it's now or never. Don't miss out on this product or this service offer. It's only today. Go and buy it right now. That is how we would like to sell our products. One sales tactic that is really working for a lot of companies out there today. There are countdowns that you can use, which means that if you look on the screen right now where the arrow is pointing at your product page or in your ads, you're having some type of countdown that is making the potential customer feel like they're missing out on a deal. For example, order within 5 hours and you will get it by Friday. Friday is tomorrow. Today's Thursday, so it's Friday tomorrow. So if I really would like this product by tomorrow, I need to buy it now. And the same goes for this. So if you look on the screen right now, order before midnight, Thursday, 19th of December. With standard home delivery. Now I don't understand what it is, but I can also see that I only have 8 hours on this deal, so I have to click the add to bag and the shop button to get this deal. And then we're having an ad, for example, on Facebook ad, as you can see, 4-hour flash sale. So I only have 4 hours to get 25% off, as you can see on this ad. And if I were looking for a Groupon deal, I would definitely click in and I would buy this at a 25% off. So this is how you can use countdown scarcity. By telling your potential customers in your ads or in your content or on your website that it's a limited time. You have to buy this now with a little countdown clock, or in your ad like this, 4 hours left on this flash sale. So that is one tactic. You can also do the limited stock scarcity. Look on the screen right now. Hurry, only 1 left in stock. Now, if you're selling something and you don't have a lot in stock, which means you don't have a large number of that product, you can use this on your website as well. Like booking.com is doing on me right now. I'm sitting here, I'm looking for a accommodation, and I can see only 1 left like this on our site. And if I'm looking for an accommodation, I see they have good ratings, etc. And then I definitely would like to book this, but because I don't want to miss out on this deal. And it's the same for every people in the world, because we as human beings hate missing out. That is one thing that we're really scared of. That is why this tactic is called scarcity. We're adding some scarcity for people, potential customers, to miss out on a good deal. And then we're having limited time access. Now, this is perfect if you're selling a course or if you're doing a webinar, for example. If you look on the screen, sign up for the Biohacking Your Sleep webinar. And you can also see where the arrow is pointing at now. Closes in 19 minutes. So we are adding unlimited time access, which means that this offer is going to close within a limited time. So you can use the countdown on your website if you're running a Shopify store, if you're selling on Amazon, or if you're creating ads on Facebook, for example. You can use the countdown tactics. And then if you're soon to be out of stock with your products, you can use the limited stock offer. And then you're having the limited time access if you're having, for example, a webinar or something that is closing very soon, maybe an online course. But only use the scarcity and urgency tactics like this if you're really having a limited offer, because always stay honest with your customers. That is the rule to stay in business for the long run. Okay guys, so good luck with your scarcity techniques, and I'll see you in the next video.